Nutrinomics is a dietary supplement company which allows you to live a longer and healthier life. Nutrinomics doesn't use any inert fillers. You'll only get the high potency of the herbs, minerals, and vitamins in the products.
When I was in college, I started to lose my health. I just would get really tired, and the day came that I just couldn't digest my food. So I started losing weight. I lost 40 pounds in 2 months. We tried Nutrinomics systemic enzymes, and they took me to a whole nother level. I was able to get my health back, get my life back, get out of bed after years of looking. I'm so grateful for Nutrinomics.
We do have a patented AES, or an assimilation enhancing system. What that is it's a combination of enzymes with minerals that allows for your body to absorb the raw ingredients right into your bloodstream. Nutrinomics offers you 100% of the highest quality and most potent vitamins, herbs, and minerals available. If you use Nutrinomics, you'll live longer and you'll live better.